It has been alleged that Olori Temitope, which we called anti-gospel, that she received the latest insult of her life for doing this without the king's permission. Hello my lovely people, you are welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If I didn't subscribe, thank you and God bless you. Thank you so much for everything. I can't stop appreciating you, my lovely VIPs. Now you, they make things they happen here. If not be you, I don't know what I got to do for this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate you watching my videos. All the comments, I really appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. So my lovely people, they say that respect is a reciprocal. Yes, if you want to be respected, you have to respect some other person. Especially in the case of marriage. If you want to be respected, you must respect others. You cannot expect to be respected and you will not respect others. There's no how a man or a woman have to take decision without involving the husband or without involving the wife. In short, a man might take decision without involving the wife. Later, he will explain to the wife, look at, oh, I did this, I did that, and it's for our own good. So my lovely people, we heard allegedly that Olori Temitope, she got the latest insult that she never expected from the king. I don't know whether you know that the king is not happy right now. As it stands right now, none of the Oloris that the king is happy with except Queen Naomi, because Queen Naomi is innocent and Dr. Elizabeth. Yes, even this Temitope self, the king is even looking at her with one kind side eye. Yes, because she was also caught the other day discussing Queen Naomi, and the people were like, so Temitope can actually be doing this. I think is it not Temitope that Mariam brought out her tape, that is the record of everything she had been discussing with her about Queen Naomi, the way she talked, the way she said things against Queen Naomi, saying that Queen Naomi is just beautiful, that if not for her beauty, that the king will not even be looking at her. And I was like, thank God at least that there is something that the king uses to look at her. You, Kwano. Although Temitope to her, she's also beautiful, but at least her jealousy for Queen Naomi is like the thing is too much. Her jealousy is too much. Anyway, my correct people, allegedly, the latest thing we hear now be say, you know that the king said that they are going to leave, and I think Temitope have gotten a house since. In short, Temitope was the first to get a house. That time the king wanted to buy a house for them. She bought, the king really bought house for her. So now, I don't know why she will have the guts to do what she did that made the king to embarrass her the way the king embarrassed her. As we heard though, we heard that she went and used this Toyota Hiace bus. You know Toyota Hiace bus? She used it and filled it with white garment people and brought them to the palace for them to start praying. And you know, if the security can actually search an Olori, what do you think about these people? They will search them thoroughly. They will search them one by one. When they get to the gate though, they say that the security men stopped them because you don't know what they are carrying. You don't know what they are carrying into the palace. Madam was surprised that the security searched her. Is it these people that the security will not pieces into pieces and even search their inner way self? So my people, they said that the king was not happy on seeing Temitope brought in this white garment people for them to come and is it to kabash, abi to do what in the palace. And I was like, what is this? So if these people come and pray now, and Temitope will just leave because Temitope is leaving now. She's not going to stay in the palace. Why would she bring these people to come and be praying for the palace? Since she was in that palace, she did not bring this set of people. Oh. Why is it that she bring these people? Although somebody was saying that it was the king's fault, that the king give them free hand so much that anybody can do anything that he wants to do, and nothing will happen. So they said that by the time they said that after searching them, they came in, the king was like shun them out. Yes, that you're not going to come and pray. What are you praying? What are you praying here? If people leave the men and women of God that you're going to bring to come and be praying here, it is white garment people. Although if you are a white garment member, if people are not doing anything evil, it's just that this white garment people, some people do not like them so much, because we heard that like mechanic no gree us to know those people that is better people, that is those people that is mad people again, because a lot of things have happened with these garment people. Seriously, these white garment churches, a lot of things have happened that some people used to mimic them so much. You will see somebody that doesn't have anything with any call of God upon his life. He will go and wear white and stay in a store, I mean in a kiosk, and be doing ringing bell, green. If you come, they will just prophesy fakely for you, and that is why they say that the king doesn't want them to come and pray. It's not that they despise any white garment people. There are still genuine people among them. There are still genuine people among them that serve God, because all of us now one God we serve. Now one God, unless there is another person, there is a different belief. So my people, they said that the king shunned them out and told them that it's not meant for you to go and bring anybody here to come and pray. That if they need prayer warriors, they will go. Queen Naomi will bring prayer warriors and the pastors that will come and pray in this palace. And Temitope was like, this is also my home. I have the right to bring in prayer people, prayer warriors to come and pray in this palace. But the king said no, it's not going to happen. I don't know whether I said the king misunderstood her, and that one became a problem. But if I'm to say, I would just say that she better leave the palace, because she is leaving. She doesn't need to bring these people to come and pray. Okay, considering the fact that there are a lot of things happening, the strange artifacts, the tortoise with fire, and all of them, too many people, too many things, even the buried pot, all of these things happening in the palace is what make the king to be afraid of anybody coming to the palace right now to pray or to do anything. Now this recent one now, the missing pot. So what do you expect? Anyway, my people, that is what I heard though. Don't forget that they are all alleged information. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and God bless.